So this person is holding a lot of tensions. They're already waiting for your yes, no, a conflict. Try to manipulate you with the sweet words, the true face of this person. They're planning to find someone like you, do some crazy things that make you insecure, take bold decisions. Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel Little Love Stories. Today I'm going to do your weekly love reading for the month of March. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guideline, and if it not resonate with you, you know that, simply ignore it. Okay, let's get started. What are the Taurus person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Taurus? What are the Taurus person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Taurus? What are the Taurus person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Taurus? And we are having here Two of Wands, Seven of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Page of Cups. So what are the Taurus feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Taurus feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here Five of Swords, Three of Pentacles, Knight of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Cups. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual energies? And we are having here King of Pentacles and Judgment. Okay, these are your cards and sign that could relate it to your person. It could be an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Two of Wands, Ten of Wands, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Page of Cups, Ten of Cups, Knight of Cups, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Five of Sword, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Three of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, and Seven of Pentacles. Let's talk about your person's feeling here, and this is a really restless situation. This person is compressed and under baggages, and also this person want to choose someone else as well. This person is looking for someone else, but also want to have you. And this person is under the burden, under the baggages. This person want to choose you, but also there is someone side guy and side girl as well. And this person with this, two choices in this person's hand. They are planning about their love life. They are making some kind of plan. They're making some kind of strategy. They're trying to do something. They want to explore other options, but this person is not that easy for this person, because this person is compressed, pressurized. This person is under pressure. Something like things compress. Circumstance, maybe relatives, maybe friends, family. It could be anyone that compress. They are under the burden. Their shoulders are heavy. Their arms are not free. So this person is holding a lot of tensions instead of holding you, or just making some kind of plan to find someone else in. And this person feel like that they are waiting for you. They this is all they can do. They feel like that, Taurus. This is their limit. This is the all they can do. They already invest a lot in this relationship, and now this person is waiting for fruitful results, waiting for you. And if you say yes, then okay. If you say no, they will try to find someone else. And this person offering you their cup of love, but immature way. Like, this is not stable. This person's emotions is not that stable, but they're offering you their feelings, their emotions. They're definitely offering you something, because they think they already done a lot. They can't do anything else. So they are already waiting for your, yes, no, what your decision. But this person is compressed and under pressure, and this person is definitely, this is the first card. This is about when you find someone else and still have an unfinished business. Definitely this person finding someone else and also have unfinished business with you. And in your side, there is a conflict, a fight between both of you. You guys fight, argument. There is a conversation that definitely convert into an argument. Try to talk, but it's not going go well. So there, you are a little bit romantic here. Or maybe you get a feel from this person. This person is flirting with you, or maybe this person is just what must I say, sugarcoat. Maybe this person is just try to manipulate you with the sweet words. This is you get from this person. This is a card about when someone flirtatious towards you and feel so romantic and make an environment. And it's also about with the surrounding cards, with with this five of sword, I think this person is trying to manipulate you with sweet words and fake promises and sweet promises. But argument, conflicts, disagreement between both of you, you get that this person is just, these are just sweet words, nothing else. That's why this conversation convert into an argument and need to rebuild this relationship. This relationship is not that strong, not a complete building, it's an under construction building, need more work, need more things. And also other possibility, maybe there is some kind of new project for you, waiting for you. But about the love life, this relationship need a lot of work to do. And this is also dropping a hint of third party, and this is confirmed, two of wands also confirm that you guys are discussing about the third person. And you want someone who is completely potential partner, the way you are, like give you completion of love and family. This is what you want in your life, and this is what you want from your life. And there is some kind of, this relationship need a lot of work, trust rebuild, and disagreement and conflict and fight between both of you, disagreement some kind of. And this person is try to sugarcoat things, but nah, you just no. And this person get a feel from you, you are so stable on your perspective and your point of view, and you are not going to compromise feelings. And if it's not a lovey-dovey thing, they like, yes, it's hard to manipulate you by saying sweet things. This person know that is this restriction around you, and you are so stable. And there is some kind of awakening call in you, definitely after every fight, when you have a that kind of conversation between both of you and disagreement, and talking about third party, and this person is looking for someone else and also keeping an eye on you. And definitely you realize something with this judgment card. You think, "Nah, maybe this is your second chance, this is the true face of this person, you need to just go with that." There is some kind of awakening and realization in you evolving. You get something from this person. But let's see what else we have for you, for what's the outcome for Taurus in this situation with this person. What else we have for Taurus, what the outcome. And we are having here devil, ow, moon, and as an outcome six of sword. Like this person eventually get obsessed over you in upcoming days. Whatever happen, this person is so gonna get obsessed over you, think about you. This person is, you are this person's addiction, addicted to you, unfinished business with you, no doubt. They're planning to find someone like you, but you think it's that easy to find someone like you? No, for this person, the way you are, nobody can. They can't replace you. This is their obsession. This devil confirmed that. This devil stamp this thing, like they can't replace you. You are their addiction. There is a pull, a karmic pull between both of you. This person is obsessed over you, and they are just trying to have someone like you. But nah, they can't. Devils, how can? It's the addiction. It's like a bad news, and someone is really welcome towards that bad news. Same like drugs, alcohol. Sometimes when you addicted, you can't get rid of these things. These things are your, the peace. This person, you are this person's peace. You are this person's comfort. They addicted to you. Without you, they don't think even straight. And there is some kind of insecurities in you. You are afraid of this person behavior, this person's obsession, going to make you a little bit, you know afraid. What, may this person definitely going to do some crazy things that make you insecure and afraid of this person. And in the, but the, the two people, what they do, they try to find solution. Definitely a well-mannered and a wise person always do that. It's a relevant outcome. Definitely you trying to find the solution, both of you. trying to put negativity behind it, try to put all the insecurities and anxieties and shadows and unclear things behind it, try to find the solution. You want solution, definitely you're going to do that, and definitely you will find the solution with the six of sword. Okay, let's see, what should you avoid, what should you avoid, what should you do in this situation, how to deal with this person's obsession. And we are having here ten of sword, justice, and as an outcome queen of wands. This obsession make you a bit sad as you are afraid of this person's crazy behavior. Definitely you are sad about this situation, try to avoid that. And instead of being sad and feel helpless, you need to go with justice, balance, do whatever it takes to maintain the balance. If this person is obsessed, don't bend, just strong. And you become so, don't be like afraid of being center of attention. Don't afraid, just feel your, be bold, take bold decisions. If you have to be bold, just do it. Be bold. Don't hesitate. Queen of Wands want to tell you. Okay, let's see what the angel want to add in this reading. What your angel want to add in this reading? New romance is imminent, either with a newcomer or through resonant passion in your existing relationship. Be open to giving and receiving love. Wow, this is beautiful. Like new romance, maybe like this is beautiful. It could be anything. Maybe you just with this person and you romantically involve all over again with this person. Maybe someone new. Okay, let's see what advice messages. Seek for forgiveness. Make peace with your memories, no matter what, it's good or bad. Share your feelings with your friends. Cure your heart. These are few advice messages, and the summary of your reading is this person is finding someone else and also keeping an eye on you. They want to have someone like you, but it's not that easy to find someone like you. And you need to maintain the balance and be bold. Take bold decisions. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this is helpful for you, Taurus. Thank you so much for your time and attention. God bless you. Bye.